make green papaya or green papita or kacha papita ka bharta, I have this one small papita that I had removed all the peels, and I have boiled it with my dal. My dal was boiling, so I boiled it with that. That's why the yellow color. But you can boil it regularly, and they are not that no, they are not over boiled. They are with the right consistency. Because the bharta that I am going to make with these green papitas, I need little smaller pieces, at least 4 5 smaller pieces to be around. So it is so you can just, I'll be crossing it like that. So it is not over boiled, but it is not under boiled as well. So some I will be doing fine crossing, some I will be leaving in these pieces only. So along with that, instead of just plain papita, I am adding two small potatoes also, or aloo. I have already boiled them with in the same dal, and so I will be taking the peel out. So adding the aloo to the choka or the bharta gives a nice starchy or binding body to it. But if you do not eat aloo, you can just eat the papayas. In my childhood, my grandpa, he was a high diabetic patient. So for when we make this bharta and all, that time my granny will have bigger pieces of aloo in that, so that she can just remove the aloos, and aloos will come to our plate along with some papaya, and my grandpa can eat only the papaya bharta, the papaya choka. So yeah, so I will be taking out these peels, and then mashing it with my hand, and later I'll just give the tadka. So I have roughly crushed all the papaya and the two potatoes. Like you can see, they are not completely paste like thing, but big chunks. So while roasting it with the tadka, it will also get mixed a little more. I do not like anything more mashed than this. This is the perfect thing for me. So right now I am not going to give the tadka. I am going to go for a run, and after coming before lunch I will give the tadka to it. So now I will just cover and keep it. So to do the tadka for the green papaya or green papita and aloo bharta here, which I have mashed, I have these ingredients ready with me. Ignore the garlic part, so just see this. So these are some curry leaf I have chopped, and then 1.5 green chili I have chopped, one small onion I have sliced, and a bit of dhania, that are green dhania or coriander leaves that I have chopped. Okay, I have my kadai here hot, so I am going to switch on the flame into the kadai. For this I am going to use cold press mustard oil. The authentic flavor will come with mustard oil. And yes, I am not going to put any tomato and all. In our Odisha bharta and all, we do not add tomatoes. The aloo bharta, bangan bharta, or this papaya or aloo bharta, whatever we make, we generally do not add. So to keep the taste authentic, I am not going to add anything of that sort. So this is yeah, the oil is hot. I am adding a small teaspoon of mustard. Once the mustard crackles, I will add, it will crackle, I will add the little bit of jeera. Panchfutan also tastes very nice. Right now my Panchfutan is over. Maybe coming weekend I will make it. But I have some methi. and put some 1/4 teaspoon of methi, very little. I'm switching up the gas because the oil is quite hot. So while the methi seeds are crackling, I have switched up the gas because I do not want my masala to get burnt. Now I am adding onions and the curry leaves and the green chili. Everything I am adding. I am mixing it up. At this point, I will also switch on the gas back. And I'll add some turmeric because while boiling there is little bit of turmeric in the dal, but that is not sufficient. So I'll add some half teaspoon of turmeric. That's it. It's not no need to overcook the onion. Little crunchiness is fine. So I'll reduce the flame. Let the onion cook little bit. Yeah, very nice smell. After adding the methi seeds, it's a super nice smell. Now I added my coriander leaves to roast it a bit only, and at the same time I'll add this papaya and mashed aloo. I'll mix it a bit and add salt as well. I have not added any salt while mashing it. So I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of salt. Now let me in high flame. Let me mix it for first of all I should mix the salt properly. This is it. I will not be adding any other masala to this. This is the perfect smell and everything is perfect. Just in high flame I will be spreading it around so that it gets a little light golden roasted. This is very simple, we call it bharta. I think in Bihar and all similar stuff they call it chokha or something. To make this super healthy, and papaya is really good for your health. There is not much oil in this, so do make this at your home, and it is very easy. Just you have to boil and give a tadka. That's all you have to do. So do make it at your home. Do like, comment and share the video, as well as subscribe to my channel if you have not. recommend these videos to your friends and colleagues, whoever may be into healthy vegetarian cooking. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. So I have taken out the bharta, the green papaya bharta from the iron kadhai. You should never keep your cooked food or any food into the kadhai, because the liquid from the food will react with the iron, and the junks and everything would get mixed and it will start smelling, and it's not good for our health as well. So yeah, this is the papaya that I have, papaya and aloo bharta. It's here. So do make it, and let know how did it come out. See you later. Bye. The bharta is again further flavorful, so I am having it with a little bit of rice. So this is my first meal after 38 hours. The spices from green chili is perfect for me, but again I'm unable to decide which one has turned out to be better, and that's the best part because both are super tasty. But it seems I'm digging more into the bharta because that is tasting more better. Awesome. Oh, the dal is also super nice. The ginger and garlic pieces, and when they are coming to mouth, it's just adding that burst of taste into my mind. Alright, so I'm going to enjoy the food, and you folks cook, eat healthy, stay healthy, and once again, you know what it is. Subscribe to my channel. So that's it for the day. Bye bye. Hi friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and give your viewpoint in your comment section, and do share with your friends, and above all subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.